Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishapa. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. I am a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria. So today we hit 3K, guys, and I'm super happy. Thank you for staying with me on this channel. My subscribers, I am super grateful. Alhamdulillah, thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. My friends, I've gotten new friends like from this YouTube channel. I can mention their name, but they know themselves. I am super grateful for your support. Thank you for the support, gifts. I am so excited. Thank you so much. I hope you are all doing great. You're all doing fine, and I wish you the best. So, in today's video, I will be talking about how to start your Turarenwuta business and just some tips on how to start your Bahur incense Turarenwuta business. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So if you want to see and watch and learn and hear amazing points on how to start your Turarenwuta business, keep on watching. My best friend is here with me. Say hi to the channel.
Hi. Hi guys.
Okay, so guys, let's cut our cake before we go into the video. Yanzu za mu yanka cake namu kafin mu fara video nan mai daɗi. So, let's cut our cake. So we're back, guys. Let's get into the video. Like I said, I will be reading out what we will be learning in this video because I have I wrote everything down which I am going to be talking about in this video. So they like this, like the title says, how to start Shirota business in Nigeria. So the first thing I'll tell you guys is that just have knowledge on the trial and water business. Like, you have to have at least a little knowledge of what you're going into. You have to know what is trial and water. You have to know how to burn trial and water. You have to know what trial and water is. You have to know the different types of trial and water we have, because we have a lot of trial and waters. We have different types of woods, which has, like, every wood has its own benefits. So you have to know what is the benefit of each wood, yeah, so that you can explain to your customers what they are trying to buy. Like, if somebody is looking for something for this purpose, then you are selling that Trarawuta for that purpose for the person. So the second thing I will tell you is have passion for Trarawuta and Humra business, because if you don't have passion for it, let me tell you, start and you leave it. I've seen a lot of people that have started this business, and because they did not have the passion for it, they just go into it because of the money, or like maybe as aesthetics, or like they just go into charota business because they feel like it will make you look different. I don't know, but since they don't have passion for it, they end up stopping this business because they could not continue this charota business. So you have to have passion, love what you're doing. I have passion for this charota business. I don't think apart from charota business there's anything I'm going to like love so deeply, any business I'm going to love so deeply, like this established Rarota, because I really love Rarota business. I love doing makeup. I learned makeup. I started learning how to make, and I'm still learning how to do it. I still want to be like a makeup artist, like a very big makeup artist, and then just make beautify people, beautify ladies, just own a halal salon that people can go into and dress up, like just dress. So yeah. So sorry, guys, I was actually looking at the wrong place of the camera. I don't know why. Okay, so the third thing, sorry, yeah, the third on our list is to know what your customers want. You have to know what your customers want. You have to know what, like, if you have to look at the place, your location. You have to just look at what the people around you want, the type of Toyota. There are some people that prefer quantity, and there are some people that prefer quality. So if your customer base um wants quantity, then give them quantity, and if they want quality, then give them quality. So I've seen a lot of people that want quality and then they want quality Tranarota for like 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. My dear sister, it's not possible except you're looking for you are getting sandal balls. Yes, these oil perfumes are expensive and day by day they get on increase. The price of these oil perfumes and these woods and these ingredients keep on increasing. So sister, brother, if you're looking for a very qualitative Tranarota, I don't think you're going to get a very like 250 ml of Ferrari water for 2,000 naira. Except maybe it depends on the wood. Like you see the roads, which is cheap, so you can get that price. But then it's not easy. Then the third thing on our list is market survey. You have to know how much people are selling in your area. You have to know what they are selling, and you have to know the price of the ingredients you are using. You have to know you have to know and write down the price of your ingredients and then packaging materials. Yeah. So and then the sixth thing on our list is master production of your trarota, because if you keep on buying from wholesalers and then people come one day and ask you how do you produce it, um like how do you produce this sharing water, at least just know the process of the production. You can still be buying from wholesalers, but then know the process so that you can anybody that asks you for ingredients to use, you can just tell them, like you will not have any problem. Yeah. um and then if you are into dry water production like me here, make sure you record your recipes or write down your recipes if possible, the mills of oils you use, the type of oils you use, and then the quantity of the ingredients you use, because you can make like a very amazing trial water and then tomorrow people will be looking for that same exact type of trial water, and then if you don't record what you use, my dear, you're not going to get the exact thing. You are never going to get the exact thing. So just know what you're using. I make sure I record, I write down everything I use, so that whenever someone wants that same type of trial water, I give them that same type of trial water. So, number seven on our list is patience. Yeah, you have to have patience to wait for your Jarota and Humra to cure and ferment. Let me tell you, if you cannot wait for your Jarota and Humra to ferment, my dear, you will just be selling something that is not nice, because uh you have to make sure the scent is okay, is good, is top notch. You have to give them amazing results, especially Humra. You have to have patience. Sometimes I mostly advertise my humra after some months, after 2 months. I mostly advertise my humra after 2 months, because I want the scent to be so amazing that you love the outcome, you love it when you use it. Yeah, so make sure you have patience in curing and fermenting your Tranrota and Humra. Then the eighth thing on our list is get packaging materials. Get amazing, beautiful packaging materials for your Tranrota. We have a lot of jars. We have a lot of beautiful containers. You don't need to break the bank. We have different types of jars in the market. Just go around, check people selling all those plastic and jars, and then you can get amazing packaging materials for your Tranrota. Then the ninth point on our list is give promos or add some of your products for customers to test and give you feedback. Yes, that's something I do. When I make a new product, I mostly adjust a little and then I add a little for my customer to try, or I just give my neighbors or my friends around me, just share it around so that people can give you honest feedback. And make sure you even give people that like you don't know. If you stay with people that like just want to promote you and tell you good stuff about what you did, just make sure you give people new so that they can give you honest review. Yeah, honest review. And then the 10th thing on our list is use social media and carry your market on your head. My dear, carry your market on your head. You see the way I've carried my market on this YouTube, carry it on your head, because nobody is going to market your business for you. Pay for promos if you can afford it. Pay for adverts if you can afford it. I understand there is there's this how will I say, there's this kishi among Toyota vendors that I don't understand. Yeah, it's normal. um I'll give you guys a story of what happened to me some time ago. It's for another day. It's an amazing story. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment your just comment. Tell me and just tell me, especially congratulate me on our 3K subscribers, and make sure if you haven't subscribe to the channel, share this video to your loved ones so that they can benefit. If you know someone who is into remote business, make sure you share this to them because they will be benefiting. I will be coming back for more on this, like I'll be coming back with more videos on how to start your Toyota business, how to start little business in Nigeria, which is profitable, halal, and you don't need to even stress yourself or leave your home. You get just a soft life business, alhamdulillah, that you will be contented with and then you will be happy with. So it's not inshallah coming soon. So I I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye.